Understanding Picture Clue, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating concept, picture clue. This video will explore what picture clues are and how they can be a powerful tool in learning and understanding English. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding this concept can enhance your language skills significantly. A picture clue is an image or visual representation that provides hints or insights into the meaning of a word, phrase, or situation. In language learning, these visual aids help learners connect words with their meanings more effectively. For instance, if you see an image of a rainy day, you can quickly associate it with words like umbrella, raincoat, or wet. Picture clues are especially helpful for visual learners who find it easier to remember and understand concepts when they are presented visually. Enhancing vocabulary. Picture clues play a crucial role in building vocabulary. They provide a contextual background, making it easier for learners to remember new words. Improving comprehension. For non-native speakers, understanding the context or meaning of new words can be challenging. Picture clues can bridge this gap by offering a visual understanding of the context. Making learning fun. Incorporating picture clues into language learning can make the process more interactive and enjoyable. It's a great way to engage students and keep them interested in learning. Let's look at some examples. Imagine a picture of a beach with a bright sun overhead. This image might help you learn words like sand, ocean, sunscreen, and swimming. Another example could be a picture of a busy city street, which could introduce words like traffic, skyscrapers, pedestrians, and hustle. 1. Observe carefully. Look at the picture and note all the elements. 2. Make connections. Relate the visual elements to English words or phrases. 3. Practice regularly. Use picture clues as a regular part of your study routine. 4. Create your own. Challenge yourself by creating picture clues for new vocabulary. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has shed light on the importance and usefulness of picture clues in English language learning. Remember, incorporating visual elements can make learning not only effective but also enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant improvements in your language skills. Until next time, happy learning!